Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking down permission and a high-quality source. Don't guess. Once you have written permission or it's your content, download the original or export 1080p. Next, identify a 15 to 30-second highlight that tells a single story. You'll crop for 9:16 right away, so note keyframes and safe zones for text. Finally, create a short project in your editor and import the clip. This is where you start shaping the reel fast. Intentional edits, not random cuts. You now refine framing, pacing, and sound. First, reframe the clip to 9:16, ensuring faces or key actions stay centered inside safe margins. Once done, craft the hook in the first 3 to 5 seconds, trim ruthlessly. Adjust speed between 0, 5, and 1, 25 times only when it improves clarity or energy. Then, replace or layer audio if music or rights require it. Normalize levels and add readable captions so your reel works on mute. Make transitions subtle. Viewers notice sloppy cuts instantly. You're at the finish line. Export and upload. Export as H.264 MP4 at 1080 by 1920 using a high but reasonable bitrate so quality remains crisp without exceeding limits. Make a concise caption, choose 3-5 targeted hashtags, and select a cover frame that reads on a small screen. When you upload to Reels, double-check audio sync and captions. If something goes wrong, re-encode with a different bitrate or remove metadata. That usually fixes codec or platform rejection issues. Try that before re-editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.